right, I'm going to do number 50 on the semester review. So e to the 3x minus 1 equals 33. So first thing you see, is that you realize you should at some point use a log. The reason that you know that is because there's an x in the exponent. So whenever the variable is in the exponent, then you want to make sure that you are going to use a log. So you're going to use a log whenever there's an x in the exponent. You can either use log or natural log. The reason we pick those is because those are the two that are on your calculator. I'm going to use natural log on this one because of the e, and you'll see what happens, but if you use regular log, I'll kind of point out what is a shortcut with natural log that wouldn't be otherwise. Alright, so I'm going to natural log e to the 3x minus 1. Since I natural logged that side, I'm going to natural log this side as well. Alright, the whole glory of that is that I can then take the exponent and I can pull it out front. So then 3x minus 1 times the natural log of e equals the natural log of 33. Since the exponent contains addition, you want to make sure that you put parentheses around it so that you're multiplying the natural log of e times all of that. Okay. Well, here's where, because we use the natural log of e, or we use natural log, this is actually the number 1. Okay. Just really quickly, let's talk about why that is. The natural log of e, the base of this natural log right here is e. So it's e to what power is e? Okay, well, that's 1. So this is the number 1. All right, so we just have 3x minus 1 equals natural log of 33. If you would have done regular log, log of e is not 1, so you'd have to divide by the log of e. Okay, so we're down to where we just have to add 1. So we get 3x equals natural log of 33, that answer, plus 1. Okay, and then you have to divide that by 3. So let's just talk about how to make sure that we get that in our calculator right. Okay, so when you have your calculator, I do the natural log of 33 plus 1. Okay, I got to figure out what that number is. I'm going to take that number and divide it by 3. Okay, and hopefully at this point you know that if you just hit divide, the answer comes up. So 1.49. So definitely typing in your calculator is an issue, so that's why you're glad that this test is not multiple choice, because you show all your work on the test so that if you typed it in wrong, like, it's not that big of a deal. It's just something we need to fix before you go to your next class, next math class.